Hello, and welcome to 3 Secrets to 3Xing Your Sales. I'm Michelle Terpstra, a sales strategist, coach, and trainer, and I am here to talk about the 3 things you need to be doing in your business right now in order to 3X your sales. It does not matter what revenue you're at right now, this will be the most powerful set of secrets that you have heard in terms of converting more of your audience into paying clients. In order to maximize your sales to your existing audience and those that continue to find you, this is what you will need to do. First of all, you need people to buy from you. Not a lot, but you do need some. Continue to grow your audience and the relationships that you have with the people that are already there. Next, you need to make sure that you have multiple ways for someone to get results working with you based on their own budget, time, and the pace that they want to see results. And lastly, create clear offer positioning so that buyers can make quick and empowered decisions to work with you. These lessons helped me sell out my group coaching program, land multiple mid-5-figure clients, and sell over 1,000 digital products in just 2 years. It's also helped nearly 500 of my customers see similar results. So this is how you do it. Step 1, create one simple success path to work with you. A path for someone to go from A to B with 6 to 10 simple steps. Now, I want to spend a moment here expanding on this. Point A is where they currently are in their life or their business, and they want to get to point B. Now, point B is a goal or desire or a value or a shift, something that they are deeply desiring and willing to pay for. What's important is you create one success path, which lists out 6 to 10 steps of how people that work with you can get to point B. The more time you spend on delivering those results increases the price. The less time, the price decreases. The information and success path is exactly the same. For example, let's say you're a YouTube strategist and a video creator and editor. In order for people to be found on YouTube, grow a channel, and monetize a channel, you have a success path for your clients. Now, the way that you would change your pricing and the way that you would make the offer is how much access they have to you and how much work you do for them. For example, your lowest tier could literally just be a course telling them exactly how to do it on their own. Your highest level could be done for you, including scripts, video editing, growth responsibilities, and monetization. But at the end of the day, you have that same exact success path. That's what allows you to leverage your time, and that is what gets your clients consistent results so that you become the go-to expert in your industry. Another great example is, let's say you're a health coach and you absolutely love supporting your clients, not just the mindset of healthy eating, but the actual doing of it. Now, your lowest price to work with you might be an email weekly that tells them exactly what to buy, what to shop for, and what meals to cook. Your highest level can be maybe you're shopping for them. It includes coaching calls. It includes other things that have access to you. And this is how you use the client journey and different offers in the same success path to monetize the maximum amount of your audience by giving them options to work with you. Next, we have a step 2. It is vital for you to create a visual representation of how people can work with you in just 3 simple ways. One thing that was common, regardless of who I sold for or what I sold for in my sales career, I will tell you this: having sales visuals available so that I can communicate clearly and confidently and with conviction with my customers was non-negotiable. It is so important that you have a visual. It will help you extraordinarily increase your conversions. So what do you include in this visual? It's really important to include what's included, also the price and the duration of how long you will be working together and under what circumstances. This is really, really vital so that it's a clear representation of exactly how you can help them. Now, you might be wondering, why 3? Well, I believe in sales psychology and leveraging it to make more sales in your business. So what I teach is called the power of 3. The power of 3 allows you to serve the vast majority of your audience using one success path, but also using your middle offer as a focus for your marketing and where you'd like to see it scale and grow. So whatever you put in the middle should be the main focus of your business. And I also like to make it the one that's the most profitable, the most scalable, and the one that you're most excited to go out and promote. The reason why is that 80% of people will select that middle offer. You can use this visual representation on your website, sales pages, landing pages, presentations, on your lives, trainings, in your DMs, and of course, also on your discovery calls. When you have simple options pulled together, it does this really powerful thing called disarming the buyer. It makes them feel safe and it helps you accelerate the buying process. I highly recommend always leading with a recommendation based on the sales conversation you're having to make it even more likely to convert the sale. Okay, so now we're moving on to step 3. It is time to market, message, and move buyers by speaking to the results of your success path, not the product. Of course, unless you're specifically focusing on selling one thing during a sprint or launch. The biggest mistake that I see online entrepreneurs making is confusing their audience with a new offer or idea constantly. And if you remember only one thing, remember this: a confused mind shuts down and a confused mind does not buy. Make it easy for your audience to say heck yes to working with you. This is when your inbox fills with requests to work with you, sales come in while you sleep, and conversations become way easier. To recap, it is time to update your customer journey to reflect how modern buyers want to buy today. This is the core to secret number 1, and you have an action plan to do that. So listen again, maybe a few times, because I am giving you all the things you need right now in order to update your client journey and the way that people want to work with you. The next secret requires this to be in place to activate and work. So I cannot wait to share that secret number 2 with you tomorrow. Be sure to check your inbox and I'll see you then. Happy selling, friends.